Hi guys, welcome to another vlog again. You know, we're in a Jamaica. We're hot, but we feel airy and nice. Don't it? The place hot, not true, Jeremy?
It's burning.
Hot, bad.
Blazing.
So, you know, we are on errands for errands. So now we, which part is there? We're on our way, like, this road take you down to Stadium Gardens. We're going to Lana's. Who know Lana's? Drop a comment below. That is a good giant.
Like
it's a good food spot in a Jamaica.
Olof Road. The road taken from Olof Road to Stadium Gardens.
Yes. We're going to find out and put it right down here so that you know.
So we have Lana's, good Jamaican restaurant.
Sell box food in a nice style. So
all the working class come here, come by. Where that's in the New Kingston vicinity.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the Stadium Garden area.
Right, so guys, I'm excited to eat one of this again, you know, say, Lord Jesus, girl, I gotta put on weight.
We used to bring it for you sometime.
Right, this is a good weight for put on, because I really want some good, authentic Jamaican box food. And I think say this I go cut the dash. Me feel so.
Yeah.
So guys, watch over this. So we're gonna really want to put the video in a people's face. So just look, this is Lorna's. This is how it look. The building in yellow. There's a this is a good lineup out there. So I don't really want to just put up the camera in somebody's face. So when I buy the food, I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you like a review on the food. Big Up Lana's is a big establishment. A long time them they bought, don't it?
Yeah,
and it's a little hideaway spot where, you know, some big man carry them side chick here saying, so wifey, you must patrol Lana's and see if you see no husband car. And then rest of them are do it in the unmarked car too, so you must look out for your husband at 12 o'clock hours if him there Lana's, right? So guys, just stay tuned till me get the food. I'll show you what I go on in a
Guys,
Lana's
we're having
box.
a ball in Jamaica. We're having an amazing time.
I love down here, guys. You're so nice, but yeah, you have money. The money I go so whoop, 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 whoop. So just want me case and go up before your money blows.
Guys, we want to hurry back to Canada.
Who in Canada and leave from Jamaica, if you can save up something and come down, it really nice for stay in touch, you know? Yeah, and just know everything I go. Make I give you a breakdown of some food prices I see and so no site, no normal.
I still live a partial Price Mart yet.
Oh, and guys, you know the Price Mart in Portmore now, me never know. I didn't know, but Portmore looking
you see
lovely
that
now.
You see that strip along 100 man? In Greater Portmore?
Yeah.
Looks good. Surprised, right. I was so surprised when I saw it.
Look nice, don't it? And guys, them build up a lot of call centers, and it really look nice. Maybe would even work for government so long. If
the government need to do something better. Everywhere you go, the price is just so high and the salary not good.
True.
Everybody
some
crying.
Salary not good.
Some salary not good.
Yeah, but for the average,
the divide between the rich and the poor is too wide, and I think it's getting wider. The middle class are deteriorate.
So you believe people know when I'm telling that Jamaica is bad on the channel?
For sure.
And you see why you should encourage them to come to Canada.
For sure, guys, if you can. But now we are telling everybody to leave Jamaica. But
yeah, then no for leave till them fix
if you want a better life, because we did it. If you want a better life, you have to leave Jamaica, come overseas. If you're there Jamaica, live comfortably, you have how much 100,000, you have 400, you have 500 per your pay, maybe you can stay. And
guys, like a lot of persons reaching out to us and them really
anything under 300,000.
Them really don't want to go the school route that we went, right? So me really I try to do some groundwork to check some information about like work opportunities what might be available over there, so somebody can just come and hit the ground running. I'll share it with you guys, but I'm gonna tell you the medium in which I'm gonna share that information, right? Just stay tuned for those videos because I depend it, you know. Me I do some groundwork for you, but I don't like to share information about things that I'm not sure about, or if I don't know if it's legitimate, you understand? So let me do all of that groundwork, and those who are interested, just me I tell you the medium in which you should send the information to me, and me basically just send the request to me, and I go just see how best me can help, although it's not our area of expertise. And of course, if you don't want consultation, we know several consultants who can consult with you guys. And who Jeremy is supposed to get back to, you might get back to you, because as you see, we're in a Jamaica and we really not sit down. We are move about a lot of places. We not even get to reach the bank yet. We literally have to reach the bank to have some things finalized. So we're up and about. So just bear with us when we come back and settle and just be back on the case, right? So stay tuned for when the food come. I'll show you how the food look, and when you come to Jamaica, if you're there at Jamaica, you never come here yet, you have to come up here, come try it, right?
No, when you reach Duns River Falls, you know,
we are gonna try for reach. We are trying to cram everything in our little vacation. So we're gonna show you as much and as possible. We are showing you as much as possible. And when we come back, we're gonna vlog down the place now. We are trying to vlog down the place here so too.
Can you realize the other day we missing for a while, don't it?
Yeah, guys.
But now when I realize we're getting videos back to back.
Right.
Back to back vlogging. So normal. So the plan today, show them the bossy food learners.
Yeah.
And then what the next stop we are making.
Guys, me I go downtown, you know, but me not sure if me can back out the phone or camera downtown. It depends. So if me can give you a sneak peek or like some little spot where me like for going and itch up, me I go just show now, alright? Yeah, so just stay tuned for that.
Food and downtown, eh?
Food and downtown.
Alright, cool. See what go on in our box, which one that?
Oh, this leg and thigh fried chicken.
Guys, so you see why I love this restaurant now? Give everything when you
smell good, you see?
That don't look bad at all. So.
It smell like real original box.
Yeah, it don't look bad.
And so the other one here.
The one, the better one, you know.
No matter.
The Nuffa one. It's good too. Not that one there.
With the chase of the wing.
Yeah, yeah. What do you know next one?
What them look good to me? I don't know what this is. A wing too. Wing.
Oh, two of them look good. I mean, if you eat them 2 4 days, man.
Yeah, I can eat.
Guys, Rashida cry. You see her face?
Video I eat it.
I'm gonna get me. Check up the beet juice for me.
Oh, and
classic, guys. Beet carrot juice.
Beet carrot, them call it?
Beet carrot
fruit juice.
Yeah, man, beetroot and carrot.
Real rich.
Real rich.
Well, I'm gonna taste
it right now.
Let's see it. Food nice, guys.
You see how killer beef they can vlog and eat.
Anybody who is a mother can eat, and old baby, then they can vlog and eat. Because we know one lap, we know if you use one hand and do things, we know if you old baby in one hand and mix back with the next hand and do things with the next hand, don't it? Who is a mother can agree.
Guys, I realize we have a different device.
Tell him one, tell me say my phone no good, we're vlogging now with my phone, where him love this up, so the quality must say no good. Curry good. Curry tastes good. And should I give me more gravy?
Yeah, Mr. Tora, she said no, 1 spoon of gravy. Them do everything by serving.
And I plant this to wrap up in a newspaper.
Alright, yeah?
Firm. Come like it come from up in St. Andrew. If you rent a car, the cheapest I think you can get it like for like $8,000 maybe minimum, or if you get a good deal maybe you get it for 7,000, 7,500. If you get a really good deal, 6,000, but the price really they are US $1,050. That's how you see like from the airport. But if you come inside for like rent a vehicle, you can get it standard, just planned for like $8,000. If you win, then you win, right? And the more days you take it for, like once you go over 5 days or 3 days, then you get a better deal, right? I wonder what the problem. Watch ya. It's a crisis, man.
My girl I step in our store. Your store and my store. Watch out. Hey, my friend Varone, see I found the tam for you, the beanie. I found the beanie for you. Yo, Shoppy Lily. We are dealing. Afternoon. We're not recording here, so no worry yourself.
How much are the beanie hat? How much
for your Jamaica hat, beanie hat? Them one here up at the top.
The one them at the top are the one for 14 and the smaller one for 12. Alright, give me one of the Bob Marley one. Or the small one.
Selassie
All
and
of them
Jamaica.
have Selassie and Jamaica alone.
Oh.
You take the one with the lion.
The lion? Which one is that?
See the one there with the lion, Lion and Judah. And you have the Selassie there. And you have the Jamaica.
Him did really want the Bob Marley though.
They don't have Bob Marley.
So we try something else.
Yet.
We try something else.
Alright.
You know what I mean? I'm not gonna buy it in a rush.
So I just left out of a store, one of my favorite store. So
Good? Yeah. Good.
I would have wrote the name again when I go up on King Street. That road there one. So guys, I go around there, so I never really see much of my like. I was looking for a Bob Marley hat. Somebody at Canada asked me to buy it, but I didn't find that. I see some other Jamaica color hat and King Selassie and so on.
Lion.
And everything
the Jamaican
else.
colors, but you know.
Them say maybe we have to go to the craft market. But guys, we remember downtown, this is the parking spot right here, so park.
Guys, Rashidon big foreigner, she can't manage the heat.
Don't get hot bad man guys, it's hot bad.
Rashid going to the wholesaler and run out back.
Remember you now go Portmore, go round and go for Mummy.
Guys, we're going to the wholesaler and Rashida start fidget so she can't manage.
So who don't know, see Portmore bus stop here for downtown. This is where you take the Portmore buses.
Plus the other thing we like, you know, the wholesale. Like too much music I play, I don't want them flag
the video.
Yeah. So the vlogging now make no sense. You know, most of the wholesales, right?
Right. Yeah. So guys, hear me always talking about downtown. I really wanted to show more spot, but I'm really not feeling some of the stuff down here.
Sell out.
No, like me look for some stuff. Like some people ask me for like Jamaica stuff or some things. I'm not finding exactly what I want to buy. So
but you know go some.
I have to go down in at the bottom of town. It's good for go early morning. Yeah. So who remember Parade? This is how it's looking right now.
Please, miserable now.
The sun are cool down now.
Still hot in the wholesales. Wholesales really hot, guys. Especially if you go try on a shirt or something.
So those who don't know, we have two carriers, phone carriers in Jamaica. We have Digicel and we have Flow. That's a Digicel there. You can go and get a top up, or you can get your mobile phone, or you buy your phone somewhere else and have them set up the SIM card and so on. That over there, so Jubilee Market. Of course, Jubilee Hospital, up the road, straight up the road. Who remember here, so? This is one of my spots. Watch them have Popeyes here, so now, and Little Caesars. I'm going with themselves. And them still have Captain's Move. So guys, I realize straight ahead you don't see Captain's Bakery. Them now they have Domino's, and at the top they have Joe Gibbs. Right, all Circle K there, Jamaica.
Oh, you take this thing for, I think it's a joke business.
Don't play in my country, and of course the Chichi bus there, the famous yellow buses. But here's the name again, Ward Theatre.
Well, we gotta tell them, man.
Ward Theatre.
This call and all type of thing. I think we see a call though. I think you check on WhatsApp. Sorry about that, man. Because me take out my Canada SIM card, you know. No, make it stay. Yeah, me take out my Canada SIM card. So me have
make sure you look for the police with the phone. Well, go on. Me there yard as you know already. So where you going with?
you don't reach yard yet? Oh yeah, you're okay. You're gonna reach after me leave.
So guys, we just step in and buy some jerk chicken. Uno call from Westmead. Big up call the jerk chicken man. I'm showing you how the jerk chicken look. How do you move here, sir? Go ahead.
I look for receipt, the money I move fast. Guys, the money I move super fast.
Fast.
Their phone beautiful, sir.
I told you much of me about my phone, you know me. I just show them the chicken, so guys, may I show you the chicken before I close. Let me show you the chicken before I close the vlog.
Only camera fear in the guys, cause right now, nah, go on too good.
Alright guys,
Remember, say not only your chicken and my chicken, that you know.
Alright.
You say you don't want no food in it on a weight
guys,
loss.
see the jerk chicken here?
Guys, Josh said she there on a weight loss, guys, so.
No, not big weight loss, so I'm not hungry.
No, you say you don't want no chicken.
I don't want a chicken for myself, I say I will eat some with
So
you.
you just take a taste of it.
Stop going so.
No, seriously, better take out
So guys, look on the good, nice jerk chicken straight from Carl.
last night you went to Jungle Fire?
Yeah, I got Jungle Fire yesterday. I'm gonna buy pea soup. The soup never too hot, though.
Yeah,
I get that soup, they say.
I got keep more than that still.
Eh?
Yeah.
That soup they never too hot for me. Cause the peas stand up and the rest side it should have soft.
It's soft for me.
Well, me get the tough one. Yeah. But we got Jungle Fire, we get jerk pork and jerk chicken. I will come back on it tonight again. But I want ya very local. Signature jerk chicken from
Real
Carl.
jerk chicken, not hotel jerk chicken.
Yeah, from a Westmead. So guys,
See chicken, the brother hide the chicken. Can you show
here.
chicken and you know for sure.
look nice, don't it?
You just have a taste piece.
So guys, me gonna close the vlog. We're tired with it on the road literally from.
Guys,
So what time we go on the road?
Morning.
10 o'clock?
Yeah, around after 10.
And we just are coming now 7:46. So we're gonna close the vlog now.
And cock up
but
and
we'll
relax.
keep vlogging. So we are look tired, we'll beat.
And guys, you don't know this are the Jamaica vlogs, so you realize you're gonna get a series of vlogs. When I start vlog, watch my hand. I even have my selfie stick now, not the camera, right? Memory finished, battery dead, everything plug out, right? But we just gonna ensure that we give you guys vlogging, and we now start vlogging. Alright?
Like this video, share this video, and also comment on this video. And just link up Rashi if you don't want to find out nothing off the air. But anybody who want to find out something off the air, make sure you drop a comment. If you can't drop a comment, drop some love sign, alright? And I'll see you guys.
Hold on, this looks like Rashi mom. What are you doing in our house?
Grandson.
What are you doing in our house?
Gotcha, if I come with something, mother. Yeah. So we are Edward Vlog. So when I get a glimpse, that's my mom. When you see her tomorrow when she tired.
When she tired, you're gonna go see her.
She don't in her camera if she don't fix up. So when you take a glimpse, she favor Rashi. So guys, if you want more, press the like button. If you don't want to see Rashi mother, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you can't leave a comment, leave some heart sign. You want some heart emoji in the comment section. And we know that means pure love. Okay guys, so I'm closing here. Bye guys, I love you all.
Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. You don't know.
Bye.